Hi, and welcome to this week's Just the Tip. My name is Corey McDougald with Meat and Potatoes Organizing, and today we are going to talk a little bit about some neat items that are available to utilize any vertical space in your house. So, of course, we know you can put up shelving, you can put up hooks, command hooks, something like that. You can use pegboards. We love using pegboards because you can customize, and it's a relatively inexpensive fix. And you can see just everything that you have. But another thing I want you to consider is they now have these bins that kind of slide onto a bracket on the wall. And to make them doubly as effective, a lot of them are clear. So I love this for if we had craft supplies, if we had kids' toys, if we had categories that you really need to see and be able to visualize to know, oh, that's where, my crafting supplies is going, or that's where this certain group of toys are going. It can be really, really awesome to put those onto the wall and then label them. So my tip of the week is check out these cool bins that you can now kind of install on a bracket and take on and off the wall. As always, make sure you install them really securely and if possible into a stud. That way, a kiddo is not going to pull it off your wall and then make a bigger mess. So anyway, keep on the lookout for those. We had some on our Instagram page a couple weeks ago. Liv, one of our organizers, it's one of her favorite things that she is going to be trying here in 2025. So give it a shot. Let me know what you think, and we'll talk to you soon.